Good day in the home. I'm your host, Will and Cloud, and welcome to... We have a name for the Mazda 6. Now it's evil in Japanese, so Aku. A-K-U. But I'll figure something out so it sounds a little nicer. Aku, doesn't roll off that tongue. It doesn't roll off the tongue that easy. So I'll figure something out. But it will be something with evil and in Japanese. Now then, why I'm making this video? From the title down below, I bet I will name it like, what the fuck happened? Or something like that, I guarantee. Now then, I need to show you something. I need to show you something. Not me. Come on, go on, look, go look. Why are you looking at me all the time? Hey, shh. There you go. Now you're looking at the right thing. Now, this is a brake disc, you know that. And the brake caliper is here. You see something is missing? You see something's missing, right? Now this caliper was stuck and it was braking the car all the time. Yesterday I was rolling down a steep hill and I put the car in neutral so the car would just roll down. But the car did not roll down. It was braking by itself even though I wasn't pressing the brake pedal. So today I dismantled it because I thought, well, I bet it's here. Here is got stuck where the pads are. Let me show you. I bet it was here on this one where the pads go, right here. Sorry. I thought it's right here. They just got stuck and rusted to these things. They just got stuck there and they don't move. So I need to move them around and that's it. But that's not the problem. The brake pads are new. Look at that. They are thick. They are thick. They are dummy thick. This is a little worse because this was the pad that was stuck. If you look at this angle, here and here, you can see the difference. This is chewed down. This is normal. That's normal. This is normal too. So this side was stuck. And guess what was the problem of it getting stuck? You see something? What's wrong? You see how shiny this is and this nice? How rusted and not nice is it? And inside, if you look inside, it's rusted too. These are the pins that go inside there and they move. They need to freely move and they need grease inside here. Fresh grease every time you do a brake change. You should grease these ones up. But guess what they did? The previous guy, previous mechanic, previous whoever he is or she is or whatever it is, they did a fucky wucky. They did fuck up real good. Because not only there is almost no grease and it's all black, they failed to notice that the boot is split. You know what happens when the boot is split? Yeah, not only dust, dirt, grime, but water goes in too. And this is damaged. This is fucked. And the best thing is, I cannot go to a parts store right now and get new parts for this. Because the time, what I have now, nothing is open. So basically I need to assemble with this, I need to clean this fully out and make it again shiny so it slides in and out nicely. I need to change the rubber. I need to change the protection. So anyway, as long as I can get home and it's not getting stuck, that's my main point. So this video is about this. To just remind you, once you do the brake pads, once you change the brake pads, just be a decent human being. Just take this out, these ones, see they're here. Just take them out, put some grease around here and just slide them back in. You don't have to remove the bracket from the car. Just take these out, they just come out by hand. This one didn't obviously come because it was rusted in. But please be a decent human being and grease this up. It takes 20 seconds. So this doesn't happen. and you will see if the boot is split or not once you grease it. And you will see some kind of problems. But now, I'm here, I'm stuck. I'll do what I can to fix this. I'll get maybe some silicone and put some silicone on top so it doesn't get dust in. And I'll order new ones. I'll order these new brake pads, brake metals. Basically, I'll order new brake pads, new boots, because you have to. And I'll do it from the other side too, because this is only the left side of the car. But the rest are working fine. But I want to check them and do a brake service. If they need a pad, I'll get them new pads. If they need new disc, I'll get new discs. If they don't need anything, I'll just grease them up and we go on a merry way. So that's my little adventure with the greasing. It was not greasy. Somebody didn't use the protection and now it's all fucked. That's why, if you work on your own car or you're thinking of working, don't forget that step. That's an easy step to forget. And you think, the next time it will be easier. Something might go wrong and then you will pay more for that. But for now, I can't say if you like this video, because there is nothing to like. Something fucked up and I need to fix it. Actually, that's how you will like it. If you like it, me complaining, of course smash that like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell. And do I end this video now or you want to see how I fix it? Bye!